Hey insiders, ready for a tech gift roundup with a twist? Today we're spotlighting gadgets that offer a break from screens while still embracing innovation. Let's dive in. First up, for the teen who loves capturing memories, we've got the Fujifilm Instax mini printer. It's a portable printer that lets you create instant mini prints directly from your smartphone. Perfect for teens looking to add a personal touch to their space without being glued to a screen. With the Instax mini link printer, teens can print out their favorite photos in seconds, turning digital moments into tangible memories. It's compact, easy to use, and definite game changer for any teens on the move. Next, for the movie buff who craves big screen experiences, there's the Kodak Luma mini projector. This pocket-sized projector transforms your smartphone into a cinema on the go. No cords or extra devices needed. With the Kodak Luma 150, you can enjoy vibrant video on surfaces up to 150 inches. It's wireless, has a built-in speaker, and opens up a world of entertainment possibilities, whether you're at home or out adventuring. Now, for the snackers who values a clean workspace, meet the desktop vacuum. This cordless lifesaver ensures desk stay crumb-free, whether you're munching while working or snacking during a Zoom call. Compact and powered by batteries, the desktop vacuum is a must-have for monitoring a tidy workspace without the hassle of a full-size vacuum clean. Say goodbye to crumbs and hello to productivity. For the artist seeking new creative outlets, there's the 3D printing pen. Turn your sketches into 3D masterpieces with this innovative tool. Perfect for anyone looking to push the boundaries at their art. With adjustable settings and a user-friendly design, the 3D printing pen unlocks endless possibilities for artistic expression. It's a must-have addition to any creative toolkit. And for the traveler who needs reliable power on the go, look no further than the solar USB charger. This portable charger harnesses the sun's energy, ensuring your device stays up no matter where your adventures take. With its solar panels and durable build, the solar USB charger is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Say goodbye to dead batteries and hello to uninterrupted adventures. Last but not least, for the camper or festival goer in your life, consider the Jackery Explorer 300 power station. This powerhouse lets you keep your devices charged even in the most remote locations, ensuring you never miss a moment of the action. With its rugged design and long-lasting battery, the Jackery Explorer 300 is a must-have for anyone who loves to get off the grid without sacrificing modern comforts. So insiders, which tech gift caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with friends who could use some fresh gift ideas. And of course, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.